Alright, so we're going to determine the cube root of a whole number using a product of its prime factors. Now what we're going to do is start with the number 2,744. Switch our color over to green because, again, trees are green. Now we're going to move this over, cut it in half. We're going to have 2 and 1,372. Circle our prime number so we don't forget it. Let's do it again. So all we're going to do is we're just going to cut it in half again because it's the easiest thing. That's going to be 686. Circle our 2 again. Let's just cut it in half again. 2 over here. And then on the other side, we're going to put 343. Now from here, we're going to divide this by 7. So we get a 7 over here. Circle it because it's a prime number. 49 over here. Again, break that down one more time. Get our last 2 7s. Give them a good old circle here. So now we're going to write our product of prime numbers over here on the right side. So that's for 2,744. Draw a nice little arrow. And we're going to have 2 times 2 times 2 times 7 times 7 times 7. Okay? Now, just like what we did when we were finding the square root of a whole number when we had 2 boxes, we're going to do the same thing, but instead, we're going to make 3 galaxy boxes here. Look how nice. Okay, so just like you're dealing out cards, you give a 2 to the first box, you got to give a 2 to the second box, and a 2 to the third box. Same thing with our 7s. We're going to get a 7 over here, 7 over here, and a 7 over here. So in each box, we're going to have 2 times 7, and 2 times 7, and again, 2 times 7. And that is going to equal 14. Look at that, how nice. 14. So that means if we were to write, remember, the cube root means we're going to put a 3 in the notch. So this is our index right here. And it's going to be the cube root of 2,744. And that's going to be equal to what we have right here. 14. Okay, and now just one more thing to quick review. I want you all to remember that this number that's underneath the root, this is called our radicand. And the whole thing together, this is just called a radical. And it's radical because square roots are cool and math is fun. All right, thanks for watching. Hope this helps you out a bit.